Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is kind of special. Something unexpected happened recently. As you already read the caption and saw the thumbnail, this video is all about food examination event. But before all that, I had my regular classes at 8:30 a.m. So here I am heading out with my bag on breakfast on the go as always. We had an experimental class today and yes, we worked with mice. Honestly guys, look how cute and adorable they are.
In my pretty dolls, I had to go to shop and pick out a silly dot dress, drawing on my green top, climbing to
The newborn mice, we did the experiment on them. Honestly guys, they are so cute but clever at the same time. Look how cute he is. After class, I didn't waste any time and rushed out of the university to catch a taxi because the real adventure, the food examination event, was just about to begin. Alright guys, class is over and now I'm on my way to the event. Now I'm in taxi and it's really thoughtful of them to cover my travel expenses. I don't know much about this event, but I only know it's a food examination event and I think they will show me the food or like how food is tested for best quality like that. Because I also don't know much about it. So yeah, let's go and see, explore it together because it's a new opportunity, I will say. I never know, like Chinese people also loving my YouTube videos and offer me an event to join. So yeah, it's a really motivational for me because I know that I have to do more better than that in future. So yeah, without wasting any time guys, let's continue with this vlog and let's see what's gonna happen. So guys, I just arrived here and I just texted them and they said that's the place. So yeah, let's go, let's see. Guys, क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल भी कुछ नहीं पता और मैं थोड़ी ज़्यादा excited भी हूँ क्योंकि पहली बार मेरे को कोई बुला. So let's go.
stepping into the hole. Every day I live in my own world. So nice, so shy, so right. I wonder if you feel the same. So nice, so shy, so right.
How are you feeling, Rishika?
I'm feeling quite happy because new experience, new place, new feeling,
Yeah, please.
speechless. I'm here is a Pizza Hut restaurant. All guys are so welcoming. They welcome me here, and I asked them like what I have to do here. So they just said it's a spring or summer is coming, so there are some new arrival here in this restaurant. So I have to just like how it tastes and just tell about it. And there are some journalists are also here, like some media people is here to for publicity or like public gathering. And yeah, that's it. It's a quite new experience, guys. The thing is, when I came here for the first time, I was like, oh, I'm not so fluent in Chinese, so how can I communicate with them? But then I met Ivy. She is so good in English, so I don't need any translator to talk with them. So yeah, let's have fun. Try some good food, try some pizzas, and फिर चलेंगे वापस मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी.
Promise jumping into the river, flying over the sea. Every day I live in my own world. So nice, so shy, so right. I wonder if you feel the same. So nice.
So guys, we finished और ये था हमारा food examination. It was so good, but it's hard to find something veg because महिमा मेरे साथ है, उसको veg कुछ भी नहीं मिला. Like except this cheese corn.
And this,
Poor महिमा.
it's okay for me. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay guys, so that's it. It was such a great experience I had. Like people are so... Okay guys, so that's it. बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मजा आया. और we got some souvenirs, some sticks and pasta. But the main thing is we are vegetarian. But it's okay, they gave us. So हम उनको वापस तो नहीं दे सकते थे ना guys, तो हमने ले लिया ये. And मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट टाइम था कि मैं ऐसे ग्रुप में, स्पेशली इन चाइना. आई लव इट. सो यार दैट्स इट गाइस. चलते हैं, मैंने टैक्सी करा दी है, वेट करते हैं टैक्सी का आने वाली गाइस. Okay guys, so let me end this vlog here. क्योंकि एक्चुअली हुआ ये था कि जब हम आ रहे थे वापस तो ऑलरेडी 2 बज चुके थे और मेरी 2 बजी थी क्लास, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रश में थी, इस वजह से मैं वीडियो शूट नहीं कर पाई. एंड दैट्स इट फॉर द डे, बिकॉज ये एक ऐसी चीज़ थी जो मैं स्पेशली शूट करना चाहती थी, तो मैंने शूट भी कर ली. और नाउ आई विल गो लाइब्रेरी, क्योंकि थोड़ा पढ़ना भी होता है. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog, and if you like it give a big thumbs up. और क्योंकि thumbs up कर ही देना और बेल आइकन भी दबा देना, क्योंकि अपन को नहीं पता आने वाले फ्यूचर में कौन कौन सी अपॉर्चुनिटी आने वाली है, तो वो भी तो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी ना. So yeah, see you guys, bye bye.